Okay guys, I'm back with a new video in our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to bypass iPhone 4S activation lock. This iPhone is currently locked on activation screen. Today I'm going to show how to bypass this iPhone from Apple ID locked. Okay, today first of all you have to identify your chip ID, which chip ID is this iPhone. Then you can proceed to next step. Okay, you can identify your chip's ID from view to from this tab, view iDevice detail. As you can see here, chip ID of this iPhone is 8940. What you need other is you need Arduino. This Arduino used to switch P and W in iPhone. Without this Arduino, you cannot bypass your iPhone. This is very compulsory. This is compulsory thing for bypass iPhone 4S. Okay, now first of all you have to set up this Arduino from your Mac. You need Mac. Without Mac you cannot set up Arduino. I will tell you how to set up this Arduino. First of all you have to open this Arduino software like this, and you have to select the file from your Mac. You can download this file from the link given below. Now open this file. Now you have to select your chip ID here. As you can see, our chip ID is 8940. If your chip ID is here, then you have to enter 8942. So our chip ID is 8940. So I write here 8940. Now we have to flash this firmware into Arduino by cable. Now you have to select port. Now you have to select port from Arduino tool. Now this one. Now this one, Arduino, you have to select this port, exact this port, and board to Arduino UNO, otherwise can't flash this. Okay, as you can see, this upload is done. Now you can remove Arduino from your Mac and connect iPhone 4S into Mac. What you have to do for iPhone 4S is you have to switch it into DFU mode. Now switch it into DFU mode. Press home button and power button together for 10 seconds. Now leave power button. You can see our device is in now DFU mode. Now mobile is DFU mode. You have to P and W it using Arduino. So you have to connect your iPhone to Arduino box in this way. Connect this here, and connect this into computer, or you can connect to any power source. Now you have to look carefully here if it works or not. Now you can see the yellow light. When it's stop blinking, then you have to remove it. Now remove it. Remove it and now connect iPhone 4S into Mac. This is our last step. Now open silver. This one is silver. You can download it from the official site of Appletech 572. Now run this software into CLI mode. This one. Okay. Our chip ID is F5, so you have to select F5 bypass. Then our model is iPhone 4S. Now load this. Here is instruction. You can see. Now load this RAM disk. You have to load the RAM disk. Now load RAM disk.
आउँछ के बुढा आउँछ भने त्यसमा त मान्छे चिन्दैन थियो
ठीक छ के मान्न पर्यो मलाई के भन्यो भने मानेको भयो भने मलाई
Okay. Now as you can see,
निकालेर राख्दिनु
RAM disk is loading here. RAM disk is loading here in this way. Now this is our RAM disk logo. Now in this situation we can bypass iCloud. If iPhone doesn't show this, then you cannot bypass your iPhone. Now you have to relay device info first. And then delete setup.app to remove your iCloud ID from your device. As you can see, our all is done. Now our device is rebooting. In this way, we can remove the Apple ID locked iPhone 4S for permanent. You can reset it, only just you cannot restore it using iTunes or other third-party tools.
तलै छोड्दिने
Now activation lock is successfully removed from our device. For more video, you can subscribe my YouTube channel
जुमिङ गर्न आउँछ के अगाडि
for more bypass.
खिच्दाखेरि राम्रो देखिन्छ र
निकाल्छ नि
Now iPhone is successfully bypassed. You can see it from here.